Hi and welcome to a new video. Does your iPhone have trouble connecting to the Wi-Fi? There are multiple reasons why your iPhone cannot connect to the Wi-Fi. In this video, I will show you how to fix this problem. Let's go. First, I recommend connecting to the Wi-Fi using another device to verify your network's connectivity. That is, you may either use another phone or your personal computer to connect to the same Wi-Fi network you are attempting to access. If those devices connect, that means the issue is with your iPhone. Otherwise, the problem is with your Wi-Fi router. So now, I will show you some basic troubleshooting steps that you can try. Remember that the most common reason why your iPhone can't connect to a Wi-Fi is either because it has a poor connection or you typed in a wrong password. Another reason would be that you have airplane mode enabled on your device. Airplane mode automatically disables network connections including your Wi-Fi, which prevents you from connecting to it. To turn it off, simply open the Control Center and tap on the airplane icon. Aside from those, make sure to also check that your Wi-Fi router is turned on and that your device is within its range. You also need to check if you have Wi-Fi turned on and that your device can detect multiple networks near you. Once you have enabled Wi-Fi, click on the network you want to join, then tap on Auto Join Disabled. Afterwards, enable Auto Join. Another way to fix connectivity issues is to forget the Wi-Fi network you are trying to connect to. Note that when you first join a network, your iPhone will remember information about it, including specific connection details. However, if something changes, such as its password, it could keep you from connecting and getting online. If that is the case, then you can forget your Wi-Fi connection and reconnect to the network. When you forget your Wi-Fi network, you will be asked to re-enter your Wi-Fi password. In most cases, I guess your router might be the problem. Check if all your router cables are plugged in and connected. Then restart your router by plugging it out from the power cable and wait for at least 10 seconds before reconnecting it back. If that still fails you from connecting to a network, you can try to restart your iPhone. To do this, quickly press and release the volume up button, then do the same for the volume down button. Hold the side button until the Apple logo comes up. When the problem is on your iPhone's end, you can try to reset your network settings. Reset network settings resets your Wi-Fi networks and passwords as well as your cellular VPN and APN settings that you've used before. But you can set everything up again after a few minutes. To do this, go to Settings and select General. Choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and confirm by clicking on Reset Network Settings. While iOS updates may not resolve Wi-Fi connection issues completely, Apple provides regular updates for problems that might stop your iOS device from connecting to Wi-Fi. Additionally, system updates include critical security patches that help prevent malware and increase your device's cybersecurity protection. To turn on automatic updates on iOS, go to Settings, select General, and click on Software Updates. Then tap Automatic Updates to adjust your settings. Write down in the comments which method helped you. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.